That's the word I choose to use for our topic today. To me, it means deliberately departing from the usual or accepted standard of doing things. A defiant person, presumably in this case, Ifunaya, the baddest lawyer, is someone that has chosen to deviate from the norm, and in Ifunaya's case, deviate from the legal profession's fit and proper demeanor norm, either accidentally or by design. But is deviant behavior always negative? Commonly used, the word deviant has a negative connotation, but instances of deviant behavior resulting in positive change is not a clean slate. It has been acclaimed to foster social change when activated with selfless positive motive. On the positive side, it has been used to break negative taboos. Let's take the killing of twins in some of our communities before now, for instance. Choosing to have twins and keep them was a societal no. But there were some people who damned the consequences and kept the twins. Positive or negative outcome of a defiant behavior, therefore, depend on whether the subject of the defiance is positive or negative. However, defiant behavior in general terms exudes negative connotations. Legally, defiance has been said to be any behavior that violates social norms and is usually of sufficient severity to warrant disapproval from the majority of society. Deviance can be criminal or non-criminal, and it is addressed and studied under criminology. Hi, I am Harriet, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to Legal Tips with Harriet. If this is your first time with me, I'm glad you are here. Please subscribe. If you are returning, what can I say? You're a darling. Please like, comment, and share. Now, what is it about Ifunaya, the baddest lawyer, that has touched NBA's tail for the rules of professional conduct for legal practitioners to be invoked? Ifunaya is a young lawyer who was called to bar in Nigeria by the body of benchers in the year 2021. That day, that is the day you are being called to bar as a lawyer, is always a very happy day for any aspiring lawyer in Nigeria, as it is the day that you are confirmed and you can hold your head high and proudly tell anyone, I am a barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Ifunaya's case was not different, as she was out to celebrate with her full chest and use pictures to tell the world, yes, done and dusted. Fair and good. But this is where the story changed. The achievement was well received, but her pictures that surfaced did not resonate well with the populace, considering the profession she has chosen. The pictures were that of her scantily dressed, juxtaposed with her in lawyer's wig and gown. As at then, though questionable and objectionable, it was taken as the ecstasy of the moment. The backlash was there, but subtle and not contemptuous. But then, more pictures came out, and much more. New ones added to the old ones, and not just scantily dressed, but touting prohibited substances like marijuana. Sacrilege, cried friends of the legal profession. And of course, the lawyer's watchdog, the NBA. NBA, the Nigerian Bar Association, is a non-profit umbrella professional association of all lawyers admitted to the bar in Nigeria. It is engaged in the promotion and protection of human rights, the rule of law, and good governance in Nigeria. One of its powers is the maintenance and defense of the integrity and independence of the bar and the bench, and so they found Ifunaya's behavior distasteful, undesirable, detestable, obscene, and repugnant to the ethical rules governing the moral and public perception of a fit and proper lawyer. This being the case, they have petitioned the Legal Practitioner Disciplinary Committee, a body saddled with the duty of considering and determining any case where it is alleged that a lawyer has misbehaved in his or her capacity as a legal practitioner. The question on people's lips is, has Ifunaya done anything to warrant the petition? Is it right for NBA to go poke-nosing into her private life? Some think her private life shouldn't be the concern of anybody, NBA inclusive, and that NBA has no business sticking their nose where it doesn't belong. In fact, some have gone ahead to charge NBA to address the corruption that has engulfed the judiciary, the impunity that has plagued the leadership, and the hunger that has swallowed the legal profession, rather than dance around misplaced priority of Ifunaya's nudity and marijuana touting habit. On the other hand, some believe she signed up to be a lawyer and the profession has rules of conduct that should be protected and as such binding on her. Lawyers are trained to conform to some form of restraint and decorum, to differentiate between right and wrong, to uphold high level of moral standards. They are not just trained to be this way, but enjoined to be visible with it and be seen to be that way by the community they identify with, and that is why in the well-versed rules of professional conduct for legal practitioners, it is expressly provided a lawyer shall not engage in any conduct which is unbecoming of a legal practitioner. The question then is Ifunaya's behavior unbecoming of a legal practitioner? Has Ifunaya violated the rules or boundaries set by the governing body of the legal profession in Nigeria? While we await the outcome of the NBA's petition, please leave your comments below. I hope this makes sense. If yes, please subscribe, like, and share. Also, turn on that notification bell to get more. Until then, remain blessed.